Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by creating a Proton account on Proton. Me and choosing a plan. Use the free plan to test basic features or pick a paid plan for faster speeds and extra servers. Next, download the official Proton VPN app for Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS from the company site. Install the app following prompts and then open it. Log in with your Proton account credentials and verify using the emailed code or your Authenticator app for two-factor security. Open the app settings to choose a VPN protocol. Select WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility. Toggle the kill switch on to prevent data leaks if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. Enable DNS leak protection and IP6 leak blocking for additional privacy. If you need extra anonymity, pick Secure Core to route traffic through two servers in different countries. Configure split tunneling if you want selected apps to bypass the VPN connection on your device. To connect, choose a nearby server for best latency or a specialized server for streaming and P2P. Click Connect and wait until the status shows protected with an assigned secure IP address. After connecting, run an IP test and DNS leak test to confirm your real address and DNS requests are hidden. If speed is slow, switch regions or change the protocol from WireGuard to OpenVPN. If connection fails, restart the app. Reboot your device or contact Proton support with diagnostic logs for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.